gonna eat your cupcake.
I'm right here, baby.
If you don't hurry up, I'm gonna eat it. Yeah.
I need to use my robot active. My robot
I'm right here.
5000.
Hi, Mama.
Hi.
I'm
Your name's Abram? You want to go down the slide, Abram?
I'm a robot. I'm a robot. You turn a robot, but you turn into a robot, but it's just they got they're a little smaller. Because we're grateful. Computer, I need radioactive 5000 machines.
Where's the blue one? Honk. Honk.
Computer, make me bigger. Bigger than computer, bigger than him. Oh, and if he cannot get past, I'm gonna go in my X5000 portal.
I'm coming. You gonna go under there? Okay, let's go.
Activate. Okay, my base is moving. Mega powerful. Mega dragon spider. So my base robot connection. My base is like flying.
Here, hold this.
My base is flying and the ground is like something. Now. Jetpack on. Yeah! My jetpack. Spider-Mobile on.
Want to go down the slide?
Okay. My first go.
Okay, you ready? It's a big one. Whoa. Okay.
Here to make me better and strength stronger. You can't get near the
Good job.
Mama. Let's go down the stairs.
I see you.
I go there.
I see you.
It's 5,000 places done. Computer, make me have money. Here. Actually, there's a lot of money.
Okay, you want to go on the bridge?
You want to really do that?
Ready? Let's go see. Want to go up? Give me your hand. Give Mommy your hand. a step. Want to go put your feet in the water?
Okay.
Hold my hand. Run, baby, run. Here it comes. Whoa! Woo! It's cold today. Run, run, run. It's okay, it's just water, it'll dry.